Alright, today I'm going to show you guys how to change windshield wipers on 2014 Toyota Sienna. I ordered the windshield wipers from Amazon. They came in like this. Kind of fancy bubble packaging. I'm going to check them out. It's pretty easy to do. I know some people probably haven't ever done it, so that's why I'm making this video. And I thought people would have a little less experience in that. Packaging. They package it really well. Alright, so on this vehicle, it comes with 28 inch and 20 inch windshield wipers. These are Ranex professional wiper blades. They're pretty easy to install. They have a clip here. It's right at the wiper itself, and you just flip it open, and you slide the old one off, and that's it. That's for removing it. This is the longer one. This will be the 28 inch one. And we'll open the 28 inch one. We'll place it on here just like this. You slip it over into the hole there and it snaps into place. It's that easy. We'll repeat the same thing on the other side with the 20 inch. Just pop this tab open, pull it down like that. We'll open the new one like that. Comes with a little cover. And then we'll put it on just like this. Slide it in, pull it up, and it snaps into place. We don't need this other piece because these wipers are universal for a lot of different cars. So that's all the pieces we need. You can see they're only very secure, so they won't come back off. That's pretty much it. I hope this helps everybody out. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll have more videos in the future of more do-it-yourself home tips for working on your own cars.